What is the difference between a confidential informant or an undercover officer? A confidential informant is a civilian. They're not law enforcement, but they are usually registered with a local law enforcement agency to provide information or do some sort of work for them. Ultimately, a CI is an independent person, and whatever work they're doing with law enforcement is done for their own benefit. Sometimes they get paid for exchanging information, providing information, doing some sort of narcotics purchase. Sometimes they're working time off of on their case. Other times they're doing it with some sort of hope of getting a benefit. An undercover officer, a UC, is a law enforcement member. It's a member of law enforcement that acts in this covert capacity. Frequently, they assume the identity of another individual, and they do the same thing that a CI does, which is try to get information, go out, buy narcotics, go out, buy. But the big difference is that a confidential informant is a civilian working for law enforcement, and an undercover officer is law enforcement working for law enforcement. But ultimately, when you look at how these cases are built, there is a distinction in the way that a confidential informant is kind of the unknown. Does this person come to court? Is the police still in touch with them? But if you're dealing with an undercover officer as part of your case, chances are they're still on payroll. Chances are they're still employed by whatever the law enforcement agency is, and they will be coming to court if the prosecutor needs them.